Sikuli Script is a project at the MIT Media Lab, and it's really cool. What it allows you to do is to automate anything you can see, right? So basically, if I can click around on a computer and type stuff and do stuff as a human being, I can actually have the computer do the same thing and make it smart, like me. But it does it in a way, it uses GUI programming. And I'm going to show you a little bit of how to do that. First I'm going to show you Sikuli Script, and then I'm going to add a couple other layers onto it. So go to sikuli.org and get Sikuli Script. It's actually not in a full version 1 right now. So this is actually a very new project. You can get it for both PC and Mac, but this tutorial is going to be based on Mac. And the other layers I'm going to add on are also going to be based on Mac. So sorry, PC people. Anyways, so I'm going to pull Sikuli Script up here. And here is Sikuli Script. Now, so let's make just an easy script. Let's automate making a tweet to Twitter. Okay. So I actually have a script already written here, but I'll go through it to show you how I would be actively coding it. So I need to first open Google Chrome. So I'm going to do app.open. And I'm going to do Google Chrome.app. Okay. What that would do is it would open that. So now I know I want to type in the address for Twitter. So I would do paste, and what would Twitter be? I always like using the full URL, it makes it go faster. I would paste that. So then I would want to click inside of this region. All right. So to do that, I need to wait. Well, first I gotta wait for that to appear. So it might take a little bit of time for the page to appear. So I'm going to click wait, and then I'm going to say wait for it to see this. Once it sees that, click on that. So what that's going to do is it's going to wait until it can see this on the screen, and then it's going to click inside this box. Okay. Once it's clicked inside there, then I want to tweet something. So I'm going to say paste, and I'm going to say I just made a tweet with Sikuli Script. Okay. And if I were to do that, I would click in here. I would say blah, blah, blah. I would want to click that button after that. So then I would want to say click on this button. So if this should work, but usually when you code it does not always work correctly your first time, but we'll try. And I was right. Oh, no wonder. Okay, so I need to paste that. I need to hit, well, first of all, between it opening and it pasting, I need to add a wait command, because it's going to be loading that when it activates to open it. It takes a couple seconds, versus the script was trying to paste that right away. So I'm going to wait, let's say 1.25 seconds. Paste that. I also forgot to put in a type. We're going to do key dot enter. Okay, and okay, this one should work. So we'll see. No, that one didn't work either. It didn't like this. Key down, wait. Let's add a wait command. As I said, sometimes it tries to do things too fast. It should be waiting for that to appear anyways, but let's just, for a good measure, add a wait 3 seconds. And actually, this time I'm going to be smarter, and I'm going to click run in slow motion, so it's going to show things for me. Of course, that's not very slow. There it goes, boom. It's saying, yeah, I'm about to click here, and then it goes, boom. And it made it, and I just automated making a tweet. So I'm sure there's a lot of people out there saying, well, that was pretty cool, but so what, right? Well, I don't know how many of you caught it, but the background of my Twitter page, I don't know how nerdy the audience is that's watching this, but this is a picture. This is a picture of me as the Borg, right? And the reason I made that silly picture is because if you know how to program and you're creative, there's so many tools these days that make it so easy to make things programmable that you can link a bunch of different programs up together and make them all work as one fluid system. If you learn how to get a little creative with all these different services and link them together, you can do some really, really powerful things. And you can aspire to be super Borg, right? Okay, so this little technique I'm going to show you is using Dropbox. I have a lot of different things that I use to link services together. This is just one example, and there's multiple solutions to what I'm going to show you, right? So there's not only one way to do it, and it would be awesome if there's like super nerdy guys out there that could even like tweak my skills and like give me suggestions as well. But anyways, so this is Dropbox, and what Dropbox is it is a shared folder between different machines that syncs files up together. Okay, so I have a Dropbox folder down here, right? And I have Dropbox working installed, obviously. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this Super Borg. Okay. Now, inside of Super Borg folder, I'm going to say new folder. I'm going to say make a tweet. Okay. Sweet. Now, I've done that. Now, I also have my phone. This is a iPhones and Android phones. You can get Dropbox for your phone, right? So I'm going to click on, let's see if you can see it, Dropbox. And if you can see, there's a Super Borg folder there. And I clicked on Super Borg, there is make a tweet. Alright, so that script we created before, here it is. I'm going to do file, export executable, right? I'm going to put this on my desktop. I'm going to call it make a tweet. We're going to save that. So you can use another program or another way to do this, but I'm using Hazel. So this is Hazel, and I'm going to add a folder. I'm going to Dropbox, Super Borg, make a tweet. I'm going to say open. Now, rules. Let's add some rules. So, make a tweet. If it's any file comes in, do the following. Well, move the file to the trash, and run an Apple script. And this is the Apple script editor. I'm going to hit record, and I'm just going to double click on that, and then I hit stop. So now I'm going to copy and paste, copy this Apple script, and I click this embedded script, and I'm going to paste it in there, and I'm going to hit OK. Alright, and close this. I don't even have to save it, right? So now this is just the empty text file, right? If I were to take this text file put it in there, and then it ran the script, and now it's running the script, and then it just made the tweet. It already made the tweet. So now on your phone in Dropbox you have that make a tweet folder. I'm going to go to it, I'm going to click on this guy, I'm going to say new, and we're just going to add a dummy file. Save file. Just hit OK. It's going to upload that file. It uploaded it. And now it should give me a growl. It hits the folder, activates the script, it runs the script. And it makes the tweet. And there it is. So what you can do with this is absolutely limitless. So I wrote another script. I'm not going to show you it. And this is just a silly one, but it might get people brainstorming. I have a folder called Borg Attack. Borg Attack. And I'm actually going to attack myself. Upload the file. There's a growl. Don't fuck with the Borg. And I'm getting hit right now. Don't fuck with the Borg. And the thing is, with these scripts, these robots, this script could be set to go all day long. So if you're a really good programmer, you could actually just on the go enter a number and then hit go, and then the computers would just take care of it and just keep that phone busy. So scary what you can do with this. You can really make things move. It is still going. This is a slow script too. You can actually have it go much faster. Of course, obviously, as I said, the potential is limitless. So the text messages there's so many in the queue that it's taken a while for the phone to actually even get it. So, but anyways, that's the end of my video. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Please rate, and I will see you later.